Now, how do you turn the light on the iPhone camera? Let's get started. If you're new to Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, two things I want to show you. Instead of the camera, at first, when you tap on a selecting subject like that, it will focus on that, but you can see a little sun icon also appears next to this square, and you can slide it up or down to adjust the exposure of the shot, right? So while you are capturing the photo or video, you can just bump up the exposure like that, and it will make the whole scene a lot more, bright. So that's pretty useful. And the other thing is, of course, adding the light through the flashlight of the actual camera, right? So next to the camera, we have the little light, which you can also enable for your photos and videos. So either tap on the toggles in at the top right corner to make the thing from the bottom show up, and you can see we have the flash right here, which can be set to the automatic option, turn off or on. These are the three options. So if you want to ensure that it just lights up all the time, make sure it is turned on, that the button here or the logo, the icon here is like yellow. It's indicating that it's turned on, right? And now when you capture the photo, it will use the flash. And also the same thing can be set up for recording a video, where while recording the video, it will be turned on all the time and it will just add more light to the scene. So I hopefully managed to answer and help you out with this question. In case you meant something else or it didn't cover something, some problem you had, let me know about that below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it. So stay tuned for that by subscribing, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.